Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Yes, children, we were reading the chapter Under My Bed. In this chapter, we will do punctuation today. So, first, you have to know that what is punctuation. Children, in the punctuation, we use some special marks while writing. जब हम लिखते हैं, चाहे हम हिंदी में लिखते हैं चाहे हम इंग्लिश में लिखते हैं, then we use some special marks or symbol. They are called punctuation marks. So what are the punctuation marks, children? First is capital letters, comma and full stop. Okay, so first we read about a capital letter. Children, when you write a sentence, तो always you begin your sentence with a capital letter. जब भी आप कोई सेंटेंस लिखते हैं तो उसका इंग्लिश में हमेशा we will write first letter capital. Here is an example. This is my book. We are seeing here T is capital. You can't write here T is small. Okay, you will write here T capital. Second, it is used to comma. It is used to separate word in a list. आपके पास कोई लिस्ट आती है, चाहे वो आप स्टेशनरी बुक्स है, ग्रोसरी लिस्ट है, वेजिटेबल लिस्ट है, फ्रूट्स लिस्ट है, you can't write these in a series. You have to use comma between these words. How will you do? Example, my mother brought a storybook, pencil and colors. Three things your mother brought for you: storybook, pencil and colors. You will place comma after storybook and pencil, that after color. Right? Like this you will do. After that, full stop. It's the symbol of full stop and it is placed at the end of a sentence. जब आप एक सेंटेंस लिखते हैं तो उसका जब आपका सेंटेंस फिनिश हो जाता है, व्हेन यूर सेंटेंस फिनिश्ड, देन यू प्लेस फुल स्टॉप. राइट? एग्जाम्पल यू सी दिस, ही इज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. योर सेंटेंस इज फिनिश्ड हियर. Your sentence is finished here. You will place comma here. Full stop here. Okay. And children, this you have to always remember. What is that? Common noun do not write with capital letter. Do not write with capital letters if they are not in the if they are not the first word. अगर वो फर्स्ट वर्ड नहीं है तो कॉमन नाउन आप कैपिटल नहीं लिखेंगे, कैपिटल नहीं लिखेंगे. अगर इन मिडल ऑफ द सेंटेंस है देन यू विल नॉट राइट कैपिटल. इफ इट इज इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस देन यू विल राइट कैपिटल. एंड प्रॉपर नाउन बिगिन विद कैपिटल लेटर्स. Proper noun if it is in the middle of the sentence, at the end of the sentence or in the beginning of the sentence, you will write always capital. Okay, children. Now I am going to show some example of this. We will do this exercise. Use punctuation marks in the following sentences. Children, there are some examples. First is, he hates dogs. Children, you are seeing there he. You will write here he, like this you will do. He hates dogs. In the end of the sentence you will place full stop. H you will write capital. Okay. Second, who is your teacher? So it is W, you will write capital here. Who is your teacher? Children, here is a question. I told you these are question word. If you find a question word, then you place question mark. That clear? Now next, Geeta, are you okay? Geeta is proper noun and it is also in the beginning of the sentence. Then you how will write? G capital Geeta, are you okay? You will place question mark because यहाँ पर question पूछा है. You will place here comma also because here is a question. Mom bought fruits and vegetables. Mom, you will write first. It is comma now, but it is in beginning of the sentence. You will write capital here. Bought fruits and vegetables. Full stop. Right? Now next, these are Pawan, Deepak and Suman. These are friends, and all these names first letters you are seeing small letters and they are proper noun also. So how will you write this? P capital Pawan, and these are names. You will place comma here. Deepak and S capital. Suman are best friend. Okay, children? So the same exercise in your book you will do in that. That's all for today. Thank you.